Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Instagram, how to promote post in Instagram. You have to first download the Instagram app, open it. Yeah, beautiful picture. Go to your profile. Then choose any post you want to promote. Then there will be a promote button. Click on it. It will take some time. And now select where you want to, after promotion, where you want to your users to come to your profile, your website, or do you want them to direct message you. It depends upon your choice. If your website, then mention the website. If your profile, if your business have a business Instagram account, then you want direct message, click on direct message. Then select the target audience whom you want to. You can select automatic chat based on the default followers, or you can create your own setting. Like I have created this. You can create your own audience. You can give it name audience or anything else. You can select which region, India, local, based on your GPS also. You can search people based on the interest. Whom are you targeting? Like music, anything else. You can also select the age you are targeting, depend upon your business, male, female. Okay, then just click the arrow button, forward arrow button, then like this button. Then just select your budget. Depending upon your budget, you will reach the desired audience. Depend upon the budget. The more the budget, the faster you will reach your audience. Select your 1 day duration of your ad. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Instagram ads are very powerful and very cheap. In YouTube or Facebook, they take too much money. Just select the forward button and you are ready to go. It will take some time to review your ad, and you also have to add money to the your Facebook ad manager. Download the Facebook ad manager app and add money to it. If you have no money, the ad will won't run. So please subscribe my channel for more videos and